southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia until 6:45 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Poolesville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Gaithersburg, Leesburg, Poolesville, North Potomac, Boyds, Clarksburg, Darnestown, Barnesville, Dickerson, Bealsville, and Dawsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia.